Hi there, I'm G, and welcome to Cozymeal Studios. Today we are making Bavarian Cream donuts. These donuts are plump and filled with dreamy Bavarian cream. They are soft, fluffy, and just sweet enough. And they're the perfect dessert to enjoy with a fresh cup of coffee. But before we begin, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on that notification bell for more recipes from us. Now to get started, we are going to prepare the donut dough. In a small bowl, combine the milk and shortening. Then microwave the mixture in 30-second intervals until the shortening melts. Then in a bowl, add the all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, egg, instant yeast, and salt. Mix with a spatula until combined. Next, add the mixture to the bowl and stir until a shaggy dough forms. Knead the dough with your hands, then cover the bowl and let the dough rest for 8 minutes. Then knead the dough until the dough is smooth, and then transfer the dough to an oiled bowl. Cover and let rise in a warm room for 1 hour or until it is doubled in size. While the dough is rising, we are going to prepare the Bavarian cream. In a small bowl, place the cold water and sprinkle the powdered gelatin on top. Let the gelatin hydrate for 5 minutes. While the gelatin hydrates, combine the half and half and 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar in a small saucepan. Mix until combined. While the milk mixture is coming to a simmer, whisk the remaining 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, cornstarch, and salt together in a medium bowl. Add the egg yolks and whisk until combined. Once the milk comes to a simmer, use a ladle to pour a thin stream of the hot milk into the egg mixture while whisking constantly. Continue until all of the milk is added to the egg mixture. Return the entire mixture to the saucepan and constantly whisk until the pastry cream is thickened. Remove the saucepan from the heat. Stir in the butter vanilla extract. Then pour the Bavarian cream through a fine mesh sieve into a heat-proof container. Melt the gelatin in the microwave in 5-second intervals until liquefied. Then pour the gelatin mixture into the container and mix until smooth. Next, place a piece of plastic wrap directly on the surface of the pastry cream to prevent a skin from forming, and refrigerate the Bavarian cream until completely chilled. Lightly flour a work surface and then roll out the dough so it is a 1/2 inch thick, and cut the dough using a 2 3/4 inch round pastry ring. Place the dough on a baking sheet and then cover and let rise for 30 minutes. Preheat oil in a pot to 365 degrees Fahrenheit. Then line a sheet pan with a cooling rack and then fill a shallow bowl with about 1 cup of granulated sugar. Fry each donut until it is golden brown on each side. Remove the donuts from the oil when they are done cooking and then toss them in the sugar to coat. Transfer the sugar-coated donut to the prepared cooling rack and let them cool completely before filling. Now let's finish the Bavarian cream. In a chilled bowl, combine the heavy whipping cream and the powdered sugar. With an electric mixer, beat the heavy cream until medium stiff peaks form. Whisk the chilled cream until it loosens. Add 1/3 of the heavy cream and fold until combined. Repeat this step with the remaining whipped cream. Now, the Bavarian cream can be made a day in advance. But if you want to try a different filling, then you can pipe the donuts with Nutella, jelly, jam, or even lemon curd. The possibilities are endless. Or if you want to skip the filling next time, then you can check out our recipe for fried dough. It is dusted with powdered sugar and absolutely hits the spot. To finish the donuts, we are going to fill a piping bag and then poke the side of the donut and fill it with the Bavarian cream until plump. Finish filling by bringing the piping bag upwards and creating a decorative star on top. Repeat with the remaining donuts. Serve and enjoy. If you want the full recipe, then check out the description box below, or head to cozymeal.com/recipes, where you will certainly find this recipe and so much more. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more recipes from Cozymeal Studios. But if you want to skip the filling, then check out our fried dough recipe. It is dusted with powdered sugar and absolutely hits the spot. And I don't know about you, but I am so excited to see what is coming up next. See you again soon.